What's the meaning of budget? Budget. Budget.
Budget. Budget. The term budget typically refers to a financial plan for a specific period. It involves estimating income and expenses for this period, and then allocating funds accordingly. The result is a roadmap for managing finances, allowing individuals or organizations to better control their spending and reach financial goals. A well-planned budget can help prioritize spending, reduce unnecessary expenses, and prevent overspending. It can also be used to identify potential areas for cost-cutting or investment opportunities. In summary, a budget is an essential tool for managing money and achieving financial stability.